Hello guys.
Why does this look like a hitbox? Good. Hit marker.
I was just watching Woodchucks. I'm not gonna stop his video because he's live right now.
Alright, so much for that. Oh my god, my Google crashed. Google! What's happening?
No, wait.
That's probably what it is. Alright, now.
4 hours ago?
Now let's try it.
Yo, wait, let's see.
Okay, there we go. Alright. 25 things due in Nebraska. Try influenza.
It's still that same
Is a
thing.
fast food chain in Nebraska. Wait, what?
Let's see if there's anything.
Wait, Nebraska has their own hot girls?
Okay, look.
Wait, why does this look delicious?
Okay, we're gonna do black place of beer.
Dude, this state has their own fast food. That is so Panhandle, okay, that's kind of crazy. That's pretty crazy. A lot of parks. Robertson State Park. Bro, this looks Chattanooga State Park. This looks fresh. I love these, like, what is the structure?
Actually, I'm not no kid. Just to prove it to you, I'm gonna do blood rock.
Fortnite! Bro, isn't this in Fortnite? Like the OG map? What the heck? That's pretty awesome. Dude, it's a Stonehenge. Like, I can't lie though, this is definitely very empty. Oh wow, they have a city. See, that's already one step above freaking. Okay, Nebraska actually is pretty cool. Any Nebraska is in there?
Yeah, I'm actually using it. I'm using the crappiest map too.
Alright, dude, yeah, I'll get back to you. He said 25 things to do in Yanaguachi. Alright, bro. We'll get back to it, dude. We'll get back to it. Right now, actually. Yo, Shane, real on YT, appreciate the 2 bucks. Let me go check that. And the real style, $2. Wearing a clown costume is crazy. That was pretty crazy. That was great. Thanks for the belated birthday to you, broski. And thank you for the good wishes. She is doing good right now. Doing very good, actually. That's good. Alright. 25 things to do with Yanaguachi.
I switched to Yanaguachi like him. He makes it look easy. Oh, look at that.
Okay. Part 2, The Wave. Did you see Squid Game 3? Chat, I don't know why. I feel like I'm not, like, is Squid Game Season 3 good? Because I enjoyed Season 1 and Season 2 was, like, okay. Like, I honestly feel like Season 2 didn't do it for me. And they left it on a cliffhanger. I'm like, oh, okay. Now I don't even feel like watching Season 3. I don't know. I'll probably get to it.
I played these games before!
Crap. It's sad. See, that's another thing. I don't like watching sad stuff.
You guys, if you
Crap!
wait. Am I still recording?
Failure! Colin the Gamer Plays, thank you for the $2, bro. Someone called you on